Hey beauties, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas, aka Christmas. This is our 31-day December holiday marathon, you guys. I post every single day in the month of December. Yeah. And today's video is an advent calendar. This is the Beautyspace Best of Beauty. This is a Walmart exclusive. It was $39.98 with a $200 value. I've actually never heard of this, and the contents are on the back, so I'm trying to not look. But I love advent calendars. I think that they're a really affordable way, typically affordable way, and a way to kind of get your best bang for your buck and try different brands, different products and stuff like that. So I am so far enjoying the advent season. I'm enjoying the ones that I have tried thus far. I am trying to talk and run my mouth so I can get this open. Also, if you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. All right, you guys. First of all, I think the packaging is really nice. I like that. You guys just got a sneak peek. And what I'm looking for is, do I actually feel like I've gotten my value's worth? You know, that $40 price tag versus the $200 value. Do I still feel like I'm getting, you know, my best bang for my buck, so to speak? Packaging, I like the packaging, and then ease of use. So we are going to go ahead and start with number one. I do like the fact already that the little holes seem to be a little bit bigger. That was pretty easy. And the reason I note that is because a lot of people do have dexterity issues, and I also don't like, and I think this is going to be one of them, I don't like when I pull up, you know, a particular door and then the next door just automatically starts tearing, and it makes it just a little bit harder for me personally to try to get into. So first up, and again, I don't know if that's like the brand is all of these, or if this is a specific makeup place that has like a ton of different brands, no clue. But the first thing is Babe Lash Essential Lash Serum. I'm not really seeing a brand unless Babe is the brand. And I'm a little nervous about lash serums. Every single time I've gotten one and I'm like, I'm using this. I've gotten the Grande Lash one 1.5 million times. Anybody else? And I always say, I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna use it. But then I hear horror stories, and I have very sensitive eyes, and I have, you know, allergies and stuff, so I've never used one. Let me know if you have used one. It's nice to have, not my personal favorite product to get. Number two is right down here. Yeah, it's gonna be ripped to shreds by the time I'm done with this, so I don't really like that, and this is a product I do not like. Yeah, this is kind of getting on my nerves. Definitely not super ease of use. Hold on, y'all. Let me set this down for a second. I like to try to open it like showing it to you guys in real time. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I have tried this before, and in a previous advent calendar, or one that you may not have seen yet. I don't know what order I'm uploading these. I literally said I do not like this, so I'm 0 for 2. It's okay. And to note too, nothing ever goes to waste, you guys. I'm very mindful of, if I know I'm not going to use something, I pay it forward. I put it in giveaways, random act of kindness. I give it to friends and family, so far and so on and so forth. All right, number 3 is up here. Yeah, the packaging's getting on my nerves a little bit. Oh, this is many different brands. Okay, cool. This is the Dry Bar Seltzer Spritz Flexible Hold Hairspray. It is a little mini. I am actually pretty happy to have this. I don't think I own any hairspray right now. It's not something I use a whole lot, but I do like that. I like that better than some of the other things we have seen. All right, number 4 is right here. Yeah, you're gonna rip this thing to shreds by the end of the year, or end of the, well, I guess technically end of the year, end of the season. Hold on, I can't get this one out either. And I always just kind of keep a little pair of tweezers or something like that to get into each product. I do actually already have this particular product. I have a full size from an advent calendar last year. It is the Eve L'Homme Rescue Mask. And I do know, like, even just based on like the full size ones, that it's a pretty pricey brand. Number 5 is over here. I just think it's so fun. It's almost just like, I don't know, it's a little adventure, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You open a door and maybe you're gonna like it and maybe you're not. This is the Miami Beach Bum Skin Smoothie Daily Superfood Facial Moisturizer. That's a mouthful. I will keep that. I do like to have travel minis and stuff like that to go travel with. Alrighty, number 6 is over here. I have no idea what that is either. I like this. I think that there's a couple products that I don't necessarily care for, but I think if you're kind of new to all these brands like I am, or you are a newbie just kind of to makeup, I cannot get this out. If you're just a newbie to makeup, somebody's kind of starting, maybe you have a tween or a younger beauty who's trying to like dip their toes in the beauty world, it's a really good way to try a bunch of stuff. I cannot get this out of here. Are you kidding me right now? Hold on, y'all. Sorry. My gosh. Okay, next up, finally, is the Archive, the Good Habit Hybrid Oil. I don't know if that's for hair. Ooh, it is. I'm all for a hair oil, y'all, and I really, really like that component. That's nice. The packaging is pissing me off a little bit. Otherwise, though, I think so far a really good blend of things. There's no way in hell I'm getting into this. Look how skinny number 7 is, y'all. Can y'all see? Do you see that? Do you see that? Let's just see what happens. Yeah, they could make this a little easier on us. All right, back to the tweezer. And obviously, we're opening one per day. This is just for showcasing purposes to kind of guide you in the right direction and, you know, let you know, do you want to spend your money or did I just waste mine? This is the ICO Spotlight Highlighter Pencil Crayon in the shade Pearl. I haven't seen a whole lot from ICO in a really long time, you guys. Like, their mascara is pretty darn good. Okay, number 8 is a little bit of a bigger door. Oh, anyways, what I was saying is you're not opening it all at one time like I am. So maybe it won't be quite as irritating if you're just opening it, one per night. I know already I'm not going to be able to get that out. This is the Rhodial Cleansing Water Hydrate and Tone in Dragon's Blood. I had something else, maybe a mask or something from them that I think was Dragon's Blood. I'm excited about this. So look, I'm happy. I'm happy. Not seeing a whole lot of makeup in the spectrum of like beauty products, but I like skincare. I like to switch it up a little bit, and I like the fact that there's some hair stuff in here as well. Alrighty, number 9 is another small one. Wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck. This is fun. I am having a good time. Where is the freaking hole to put your finger in there, man? Next up is the Lancer Caviar Lime Acid Peel with 10% glycolic acid, 10% phytic acid, and retinol. Yes, please. I will take that, honey. And if you've tried any of these, if you've tried the calendar before, please let us know. All right, number 10 is a little bit bigger, hopefully to be a little easier to get into. I'm trying to not just show door number 12. Ooh, yes. That is a product I do like. This is the Diva Curl Mist of Wonders Leave-In Instant Multi-Benefit Curl Spray. I have very wavy textured hair, but my son has very, 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 very curly, like ramen noodle soup hair, and we both love their products. Okay, number 11. Oh, there's 14. There's 14 days. I don't know how I missed that. Number 11. Oh my goodness. All right, this is the Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie, And it actually looks like it has little rhinestones. I wouldn't normally like try to open stuff and demo stuff, but I'm nosy as hell and I kind of want to see, y'all. I normally get the little kitsch ones. That's what I have in my hair right now, but I do swear by having the like the silk ones. They don't pull and tug at my hair. And if that does have little rhinestones like I think I'm seeing, that is cute, you guys. It does! I love that. I think that is perfect for the festive season. I'm about to just stick it in the hair. I'm gonna take this one out real quick. That is cute, you guys. Y'all probably can't even see it. Sorry. Right, number 12, which I thought was our last day, but it is not, you guys. Ooh, what are you? This is Patchology Clean AF On The Go Refreshing Facial Cleansing Wipes. Can never have too many of those. Yes, please. I like that. Number 13. Does anybody have lucky number 13? Is number 13 your lucky number? Comment down below. Well, what in the world? Skin Gem Ready Set Blot Blotting Sheets, 100 sheets. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think I have a friend I would pass those along to because she has very oily skin and I'm sure she would appreciate that. And then you guys, last but certainly not least, number 14 in our calendar. Nice! Alright, let me put this down here without disrupting my dog. I'm sorry. This is the Beautyspace NK Cinnamon Spice Scented Candle. Mmm! It's not like super strong. I actually anticipated something a little bit stronger than that, and it is in an actual like glass container. Okay. For, what did I say, $40, you guys? $40. I feel like that's okay. Not blowing my socks off. There are definitely a few products that I'm like, hey, yes, this is awesome. I have a couple of like favorites. And then I have a few products that I can kind of pass along to other people and I'm gonna pay some things forward. But I think overall, I like it. Like oddly enough, even though there's a lot of stuff that I wouldn't necessarily use, just the combination of things, and this is something that's completely different from any other advent calendar that I've personally opened. So I actually think I like it, and I actually think if these are products you would use, I think I recommend it. That is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. Thank y'all for helping make this year incredible. I'm so excited to see what next year holds for us. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy, turn on a notification bell down there so you never miss an upload. Thank y'all so much. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.